Hey, my dear friends, I hope that you're having a great time. I'm so excited to be here today, and I'm bringing another short message that I'm just sharing here because I realize that some of my friends are dealing with something very strong, but it's something that can be avoided. But when this thing is not avoided, it actually starts eroding someone's confidence and the ability to make decisions, and also it destroys your image on how people perceive you. And if you have ever been in a struggle that you're trying to make a strong decision and you're fearing how people take it because you are always worried about how people think about you when you tell them your truth. But I'm telling you the truth, you need to get out of this comfort zone where you feel like your responsibility is to tell people what they should, what you expect them to react on, and based on how you expect them to react. And sometimes you find yourself compromising with your own truth. But I'm telling you the truth, this is like it will never be a good time when you tell people your side, but it is bad that sometimes people take you in a way that you are not because you expect them on something and that's not what is going like into them. I would give you an example. So if you want to tell someone like you're not happy to be with them for some reasons, even if you keep waiting and you don't want to really tell them, after some time they get to see like, actually this guy was not with us. So it is okay to be frank and be like, hey, I don't like this because of that. I'm not happy to be around you. And then people know it and they are okay about it, and then they can either be your friends or they cannot be. But you don't have to compromise with your own understanding, with your own truth, that you're trying to make other people see you in a different image. So the moment that you tell people, you let them know who you are, and you let them understand what you present, what you stand for, then you're going to live a free life where everyone that comes in your mind, in your space, is someone who understands your values and who values them as well, like who respects your values. So these are the people that you're looking for to attract in your own life, in your space. So if you are still fearing to tell people what you believe, what you love, what you like, so if you are living in a fearful life where you are always trying to meet some other people's expectations, not your own expectations. I would give you an example. I think some of my friends, yes, I get compromised when I dress the way I like to dress up because I feel like that what makes me comfortable and that's what makes me happy. And sometimes I don't care how you look at me. I would be happy in my t-shirt and I have no problem. If you expect me to be in a suit, that depends, and I would put it on if I really want. That's like my reality. And I will not pretend because I know I can make you happy, and the expense of making you happy is me winning my own life. So you better tell people the truth. Sometimes it becomes a bad habit that now people start even putting themselves in a danger because they want to protect the image, which doesn't really help them. So one of my friends is like trying to help his friends, but just showing them like he has enough money, he can just be able to help them in time they want. That's like protecting an image, but it doesn't really make it right because in this way, this guy goes to borrow money to help his friend. And I was like, hey, don't you think you also need help? Why do you even want to help someone and yet you don't even have what you are helping with? So then I was like, hey, you should check on yourself. Why? Because sometimes when you don't do something you're responsible for, it's a bad thing. But doing something you are not even responsible for, and you are not in even a capacity of doing it, that's like pretending to be who you are not. And that is a bad thing. It ruins someone's image, just including you. And I don't want you to be in that kind of trap where you're trying to make everyone else happy apart from you. I want you from now and onwards just to start from you, make yourself happy, and then move forward to other people. There is no way that you're taking from an empty basket and you think you're going to take something from there. So anytime when you're making decision, I want you to look at your life, make sure that any decision you're making, you are putting your own interest first. You're making yourself happy. I mean, like, you're putting your own interest in terms of your happiness, in terms of your love, in terms of your faith. So don't make other people be in charge of you, and then you cannot be in charge of yourself in terms of healing, in terms of trauma healing, your emotions, because these are very important. Even the people you're helping, you're trying to help, actually, they would be happy when you're happy. They would be okay when you're healthy, and you can be able to help them much more. But don't you hurt yourself, don't destroy yourself while building other people. Thank you so much. Always remember, don't destroy yourself as an expense of building someone's life, because your life is much more important as that life you're saving. So make sure that you can. I think in the plane they always say it. So be like, put on your life jacket, and then after, look at your neighbors, help your neighbors. But they don't start being like, hey, help someone else before you helped. That's really dangerous, and that's really bad. Thank you so much. I wish you all the best, and talk to you in the next message. Thank you.